Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new here, please do subscribe to see our other videos. In this channel we talk about food, we talk about lifestyle, and we do a little bit of vlogging. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this wonderful recipe out of Irish potato. This recipe is so simple that you don't need to stay in the kitchen that long before the food gets ready. And another good thing about this recipe is you can just gather everything from the kitchen. You don't need to think of how you can go to the market to buy the ingredients. It's an amazing recipe and it is also presentable. And when you serve your family this meal, they will ask for more of it. So if you are wondering what this recipe is all about with Irish potato, let's get started. I'm going to kind of parboil the Irish potato for like 3 to 4 minutes. Then I will take it off the heat. If you watch this video till this time, please do subscribe if you haven't. Give us a thumbs up and share with families and friends to see more recipes like this. I'm going to be putting the Irish potato in grease oven glass, frozen spinach. You can use fresh spinach or any type of vegetable available for you. Onions, stock powder, thyme, minced stock, pepperoni, salt, as well as caramel pepper. You will want to add your healthy milk at this point, or cream, whatever you have in the house. If you don't have both, you can use normal milk. Garlic and chives. We will be using 2 eggs for this recipe, and you will want to make sure the egg spreads to cover the surface of the oven glass. So guys, this oven baked Irish potato and spinach is ready to go into the oven. We are going to be baking for like 25 minutes to 30 minutes, depending when the surface change color to golden brown. So guys, this is exactly after 30 minutes. It all depends on how hot your oven is. We are going to be dishing. Let's see how it looks inside. So guys, how do you find this recipe? Please do like this video if you like what you've seen. I would also like to know in the comment section if you will be giving this a try. If you watched this video till this time, I would like to say thank you for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.